What is up? It's your boy Alex, and today we'll be playing Foam Frenzy. I have played this game because I have the commando. So yeah, okay. Oh yeah, also happy St. Patrick's Day. You're wearing green. Well, you're screwed then. Oh, yeah, I kind of went one step ahead, and this is what my character looks like. Yeah. I'm just basically wearing the leprechaun hat. I had another one where I wore this green hood, but I was like, no, this won't work. Plus, I don't like this. I really like the style, so boom. Pretty good, it's friendly. Oh my god. Haha. Die. Yeah, open up. Okay, good. Okay, not good. Oh, shoot, let's go. Someone trying to shoot me? Die. Oh, shoot. Boom, 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 boom. Die, 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 die. Dead. Boom, 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 boom. Dead. Oh, shoot. I'm in the middle of a shooting area. Is that a bomb? Did I just hear a bomb kick off? Team deathmatch. Die. Yeah, it's basically like big paintball. Die, 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 die. Dead. What? Why is he on fire? Hey, see that? Triple tag. Ah! Ooh, rank up. Level 5. Let's see what I can get. Oh, what's that? I got the M7G. Die, 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 die. What the? I am the Terminator. Okay, but for real, why are they on fire? Die. Is that like the invisibility or something? I don't know. Just die. Why am I good at this game? I played this game like one time and I'm already good at it. I guess it's the experience of big paintball, I guess. Ah, shoot! Ah, I'm dead. I kind of like this one more because the nuke takes a lot more kills than big paintball. You gotta kill 99 people in order to get the nuke. Yeah, the nuke's powerful and all, but like 99 people. Jeez, how many could take out 99 people in like 20 minutes? Die. Die. Oh my god, die. Like, I'm pretty skilled at like Arsenal games, but usually when I'm on the PC though. I'm not used to playing on mobile. Die. Die. Why is he shooting his own teammates? Die, 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 die. Boom. I need 4 more kills in 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh my god. Die. Headshot. Yeah, get more HP for shooting people in the head. This is like Nerf battle, but it's like extreme though. People actually die. Look, the guy just disintegrated. It's like a Nerf war. It's like a Nerf war, except it's extreme. Like, see, he literally disintegrates when he gets hit. One person for new count. Coming right up. I might as well use some of these effect things. Okay, I just died to a guy getting snapped by Thanos. Drink an energy drink again. So I can just get boosted up. New people are coming here just to see me destroy their team. I've never seen this guy before. He's a level 21. I got 3 railguns and 9 energy drinks and 7 radars. Let's get this started. For a person who's level 5, I'm pretty good at the game. Die. Okay, good. Hey, I see you. Oh my god, die. Do I need to come up there? I can't even see you anymore. Oh my god, I died. I'm not gonna waste my railguns, but I'm getting kind of bored. So. Hey, you're using railguns? Hey, it's not fair. Alright, you know what? We're winning anyway, so. Do that. Show yourself. Oh, shoot. Energy drink. Good. They're dead now. At least I killed him. Oh my. Okay, that scared me. Not the nuke part. I mean, like her showing up. Good thing you got obliterated before she could do any damage to me. Die. Long shot. Too quick. Boom. Fine, I'm just gonna shoot everywhere. I don't even care. It's pretty difficult when the bullet goes under your like visor thing. Like, so you're gonna have to like aim above the person in order for it to actually hit. Like, look, it's literally going under it. The particles are just going up because, like, you know, visor. But nonetheless, it just hits them. It just hits them like under it. Just die. You might have the high ground, but I have I have higher IQ, not HQ. Not a successful business yet. Die. Also, that's where the bacon came from. Just climb up this ladder. Die. What? Oh my. I see that. Die. Okay, well. I knew that. I was gonna die because I was in like plain sight. 9 more kills and I get to nuke it again. Hooray! Drink an energy drink. Die. I said die! I didn't mean death to me. Let's see where everyone is. Bad people. Detecting bad people. Didn't detect that guy though. When you die while you're using something, like, it just automatically, like, doesn't change. So, like, hey, I see that. Die. Okay, he died, so you can shoot the people who, like, drinking an energy drink. Wait, see where the bad people are. Okay, no one by the sides, good. No snipers, good. Oh no! Stop! Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. At least we're winning. Right? Bad people. Oh my god. At this point, I might as well just shoot everywhere I go. Boom, 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 boom. It's like having our own bodyguard, except I'm the bodyguard, but I'm also the celebrity at the same time. Okay, we're winning by like 6 points, and they're losing by 6 points. I'm about to say 5 until ours just went up. Right now. Come on, let me get 8 more kills and then I can kill all of you. Oh my god, how am I supposed to get 7 more kills in 35 seconds? Literally, everyone is just camping over there. They're inside the house. You know, you could just... Oh my god. At least we're gonna win, so... I'm going down and taking you with me. It's not fair. Literally, all of you guys are packed up in that small cabin. Hey, look, I'm second place. This guy died more, and my kill death and my knockdown rate is like way more. But that guy just won just for having more kills. Like, but stats matter. Kill doesn't matter too. Might as well play another round. Never mind. That is all for today. I hope you like it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.